Want evenly grilled, easy-to-handle skewers? This quick prep tip makes all the difference. Prep your skewers right for even heat, steady turns, and great results. First, soak wooden skewers in cold water before using. This prevents them from burning and splitting. For metal skewers, lightly oil them to prevent sticking. When threading ingredients, leave small gaps between pieces to allow heat to circulate evenly. Alternate dense ingredients like meat with lighter ones like vegetables for balanced cooking. Keep similar-sized pieces together on each skewer for even cooking. Thread ingredients so the natural grain of the meat runs parallel to the skewer. This prevents the meat from tearing when you turn it. Set up right and expect tender meat, crisp edged veg, and that satisfying sear across every piece. Like, share, and hit the subscribe button for more flavorful recipes.
Hello.